Hello and welcome to my channel, and today we are going to solve another interview level SQL question, that is query regarding query quality and percentage. This question is basically present on LeetCode. We are just going through the all the questions on SQL 50 interview preparations on LeetCode. So let's come to the question number 1211 on aggregation function, query quality and percentage. So now just see what the table says on query table. The query table have the four columns. Okay, so out of the four columns we have query name, result, position and rating. So these are the four columns we are having in query table, and these have some certain kind of information provided over here. That is, the position column is having the value 1 to 500 and the rating is having from 1 to 5. Okay, it is the table may have the duplicate rows also. Okay, and so these are sort data in a table taken from a database. Okay, now we have given some other information also. We define query quality as the average of the ratio between the query rating and its position. So I need to find out quality, because in the question you see write a solution to find each query name, the quality and the poor query percentage. So you see the quality and query percentage is not available in the table. Okay, it is not available in the table. So now I have to find out using some queries. Okay, using some logics. So what the quality says is, so we define query quality as the average of the ratio between the query rating and its position. So you have rating and position in table. So now I have to find the ratio between the rating and position, and I go for average. Okay, average of rating and position, ratio of the rating and position. So it is clear from the question only. So we have to use a group by function upon the query name, because per ratio of the rating and position is going for a summation, and then I will go for average. So for that reason we will use a group by upon query name. Similarly, the second condition is query poor query percentage. What poor query percentage says is the percentage of all the query with rating less than 3. You see over here, this rating column is in the int, and let's check out this example. You have 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rating is in the integer character within 1 to 5. Okay, taking 1 and 5 also. So what it is saying, that a poor query percentage will be calculated on the basis of that rating which are below 3. Okay, so you just consider this dog. First one, dog. First two row you have rating of 5, and again you have rating of 5, but in the third row this dog resulting mule, position is 200, you see rating is 1. So this row will be considered as poor query percentage. Okay, similarly for cat also. Now you see the explanation over in the whatever the explanation is given in the question only. We have for quality, you see 5 by 1 is the ratio, and again for the second one is also 5 by 2. So they had taken average over there over all the three ratios by 3, because 3 dog was there, so it is coming 2.5. Similarly for the poor query percentages, the rating is only 1, because only one rating is below 3. Only one rating is below 3. You see, now only we saw this one is only below 3. So 1 by 3 into 100. Okay, similarly the same situation is going on for the cat also. Okay, now go for the query. Now what I will write is, I will use select for query name. Okay, because I have to use the query name in the table. Now I will go for quality. So how we calculate quality is just use ratio. Now I have to use a ratio of rating to that of position. So you just write average and then write the rating to that of position. So this comes the rating to a position, is comes the ratio, and average you will find the by avg command. Okay, and on top of it I will use round. Why I will use round? Because in the question says I have to round up to 2 decimal places. Over here, round to 2 decimal places. Okay, now this is as quality done. So my second column is being done. Now I will calculate the poor query percentage. So how poor query percentage will be calculated? Similarly, I will use round again Now I have to use rating. Now I have used a condition rating must be less than 3. Okay. Now I have to use a count function. See, because for rating anything below 3. Okay. So for the cat you come for the cat 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what is below 3? Only 2. 2 is below 3. So this will be calculated. Now if I use count on top of rating less than 3, then I have to use the distinct value of query name. Okay, but in short what I can do is, if I use average value of the rating below 3, what it will do is, let me write this one first. What it will do is, it will take the average value per query name. What it will do is, rating, it will find first rating less than 3. For dog, rating less than 3 is 1. Now we will find the average. What is the average? 1 by number of dogs. What is the number of dogs? This query name 1, 2, 3. So for dog it will take 1 by 3 into 100 up to 2 decimal places. So this is how my count will work as average. By using average, the count function, the count of rating less than 3 by the number of values. Okay, so in short I have done the average part. Okay, so this one will be taken as poor query percentage. Okay, done. So my 3 column already is being done. So now I will use from table queries. Okay, now I will use group by. I have told you previously I have to use group by for calculating each dog and each cat also. So I will use group by on query name. Otherwise, if I don't use query name, it will take the value of whole table of all queries, all query name. So for to specify each query name, the calculation will be done on each query name. So I am using group by query name. First it will take dog or cat, whichever comes earlier, and it will go for the calculation, and it will go for the next query name. First it will go for dog, then it will cat. If any other animal is there, it will go for the next one also. So this is what my query will look like. Now I will go for run, see whether my query runs or not. See, it is taking accepted. Now I will submit and see the test cases. Submitting the query. See, I am getting a wrong answer. Why I am getting a wrong answer? You see over here in the output part there is a null. You see there is a null, but I need to find out only cat. So what it is saying that I have to ignore the null values. So in the question only they had said that the table contains the duplicate values. Now I have to again consider that anything is possible over here. So duplicate values is there, so null value is also there. So what I will do is I will consider that okay, my table contains null value. So what I will do, I will put a condition of where, and where what I will do, where query name is not null. So we will consider only the rows where the query name is not null. So I will use this condition where query name is not null. Okay, I think this is okay. Now I will submit it. See, they have taken the code. So this is what my query for the question query quality and percentage. Okay, I hope you liked the video and you understood the question and the query. So that's all for today. And if you have any question regarding SQL, please do comment down in the comment section. And if you have any other questions which are very relatable for the interview or in facing any challenges in SQL, please let me know. I will be happy to answer that one. And till then, thank you. Take care. Bye.